As you know, the Canadian cellular network is quite expensive. If you have 2 gig data plan with unlimited text and several hundred minutes talking, you're looking at around $40–50 a month. Now I actually have a $15 a month plan with 250 meg data, unlimited text, and 100-minute talk. I know that sounds quite a low for 100-minute talk and 250 meg data, but let me show you that this is more than adequate for me and for most of you. I have an app that you can use to make it more efficient, and in fact you may not even need more than 1 gig of data. 250 meg is more than enough. Let me show you now. Okay, so the first thing that you need is an app called Little Web Browser, this one here. Now to look for it, let's go to Google Play and search for Little Browser. There it is, and this is the one we want, and I already downloaded it on my smartphone. Let's open it up. As you can see, it's quite simple, but this browser is quite useful for those who have limited data plan like myself. I have 250 meg of data, which is not a lot. However, for certain information, let's say if I want to search for stock quotes, anything that's just data but no image, then this is amazing browser. For example, if you look at the option here, you can search on Google and you don't have to download the image. You see, if you don't download the image, you save about 5 times the data. For example, if I load an image, it will take 5 meg per web page. Without the image, it's around 1 meg, which is amazingly small in comparison to 5 meg. So let's see if I'm going to go to Kijiji, for example. Okay, as it loads up, you can see it doesn't actually have image. There we go. If let's say I want to search for a drone, okay, DJI, and look at what happened here. There is the information. That's all I needed. Let's say, you know, I want to search for the drone, and let's say this one looks pretty good. DJI Spark for $4.99. There we go. All the information's there. If I want to see the image, okay, let's say if it's that important, I can just flip to allow to load the image, and there we go. The image is loaded, okay, and it should show up. Let me see. There we go. See? So if I want to avoid using too much data, I just turn that off, and we're back there. Okay, so you save about 5 times the data. So 250 meg is actually more than enough if you're just searching for data, like just data, you know, just words. For example, let's try another one. Let's say if you want to search for a Pacific stock, let's say Microsoft, Microsoft, okay, stock. Okay, see what shows up on my Google search, and there we go. See that? Amazing. Now this is actually, let me see, is this on? Yeah, this is not without an image, and even the graph shows up, and it's only taking maybe less than a meg of data just to search for this type of information. So you don't even need 1 gig or 2 gig data. If you just do light search, emergency search, this is more than adequate. So that's how I save money. 250 meg unlimited text and 100-minute talking for $15 a month is pretty good. So that's how I save money. Alright, thanks for watching EducateTube.com.